Colder temperatures comes the risk of plumbing problems. Plumbers say the cold is not the biggest threat. It is the wind. They recommend sealing crawl spaces, making sure pipes are not exposed, and disconnecting hoses.
Your hose bibs, right? If your hoses are hooked up, you're definitely in trouble. But if your hose bib or your hydrants on your home are dripping, then they are going to freeze and they are going to break if they are dripping currently now.
If your pipes do freeze, do not use a blowtorch or any kind of flame to thaw them. If pipes break, turn off the water at the main shutoff valve and call a plumber.